T-SQL is the programming language of Microsoft SQL Server. Functions can be used to perform certain tasks in programming languages. In this video, we will make short examples of functions that can be used in T-SQL. In the following videos, we will also be making detailed examples of the most used functions. We publish all videos for free. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Like other programming languages, T-SQL supports functions. T-SQL has system and user-defined functions. System functions are functions that come ready-made in T-SQL. User-defined functions are created by users. System functions can be classified as string, datetime, math, and type conversion. In the next videos, we will make detailed examples of the most used system functions. In this section, I would like to show short examples to better understand how system and user-defined functions work. In the first video of the T-SQL course, we installed Microsoft SQL Server on our computer. If SQL Server is not installed on your computer yet, you can install it on your computer by following the installation video in the description. Let's better understand how functions work in T-SQL by giving examples. First, I will create a database. The database was created in SQL Server. I will create a table using the create table command. You can specify in which database the table will be created from the panel above. Let's create the table after making sure that you have selected the newly created database. This is how you can see the column properties of the created table. I am adding a few records to the table with the insert into command. I added 10 records to the table. Now I want to show you the string functions in the system. Go to the Programmability tab in the database we created. In the Functions section, you can see all the functions that come with SQL Server. Let's take a look at string functions. There are many string functions. In the coming videos, I will talk about the most used string functions. In this section, we will do a few examples to understand how the functions work. I will show you how the len system function in the select command works. Returns a value specifying the length of the data in the column passed into the len command. It can be used on columns with data types such as varchar or nvarchar. We can use the len function in the last name. Now let's make an example for the user-defined function. Let's say you have a company and you will give your employees a 40% raise. We're going to create a function called raise salary. We will send two parameters to the function. The first parameter represents the salary value, the second parameter represents the rate of increase. We can show the increased salary by performing mathematical operations in the return section. The created function appears in the scalar-valued function section. I set the raise rate to 50% in the select command. The increased salary is displayed in the new salary column. You can change the value of new salary by sending different rates to the function. Thanks for watching. In the upcoming videos, we will provide examples of the most used system functions. We publish all videos for free. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.